Hey everyone, it's Jason and I'm here with the unboxing of the Hermès Women's Stadium sneaker. Alright, so each shoe has its own dust bag. In this extra bag we have an extra shoelace. That's nice. I'm used to Louboutins giving some extra spikes. So this is pretty nice that Hermès gives you an extra lace.
It's a different color too.
It also is a different color as well. So I think I'll actually leave this peeking out as well. Let's go take the shoes out. So this is the Multicolor Gris, or gray color, as Hermès calls it. So Lucia was looking for a pair of sneakers, and she tried these on and really liked how comfortable they are. First thing you see is clearly they're multicolor and gray, as the name implies. Starting at the top, we have a technical canvas, which makes it really comfortable, breathable, and also pretty flexible as well. You can kind of see as I push up with my hand that it does have a fair bit of give to it. We do have calfskin leather on the side and this shiny silver gray color. Then we have a white rubber midsole and the black rubber sole. Going to the bottom, we have a pretty good looking tread here. We have Hermès at the bottom, not sure if that comes through on the phone, but it is there. And it looks like this will be a very good sneaker. So the laces are white, as you can see. And the extra lace they gave us was actually in this gray color that does appear to match the color of the canvas. So that's cool. You can kind of change up your look. You either have a white lace that pops out a little bit more, or a gray lace that is that blends in. And clearly we have two sets of laces here, one for each shoe. So that is pretty nice as well. So this is Lucia's first pair of Hermès sneakers. So we'll definitely give them a try over the next few weeks and report back and see how they go. So as far as the size goes, she got them in size 37, which I believe is pretty typical for size. So they are true to size. She did spend a lot of time with them in the store, walking around, trying them on, making sure that they were comfortable. So it does appear that at least the stadium sneakers, women's stadium sneakers, are true to size. But once she's worn it for a while, we'll obviously report back and let you know our thoughts on that. These retail for $1,025 in the US as of February 2020. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.